All right, let's talk about AI. It's a term we hear everywhere, right? But there's this huge gap, a massive difference between the AI you see in the movies and the AI that's actually on your phone. One is our everyday reality, and the other, well, that's still just science fiction. So let's break it down and clear up some of that confusion.
So let me ask you something. When you hear the letters AI, what do you actually picture? Just for a second, what's that image that comes to mind? Because, for most people, it's probably something straight out of a blockbuster movie.
Are you imagining like a self aware machine? Something that's actually conscious? A robot that can, I don't know, look at its reflection and have a full on existential crisis?
Or maybe it's something a little more sinister, like a digital mind with its own secret goals and ambitions. You know the type, the classic HAL 9000 or Skynet scenario. That's the big dramatic expectation that's been built up for decades.
Okay, but here's the reality check. Is that the AI we're actually dealing with today? Is that the thing picking your next Netflix show or helping you dodge traffic on your way home? The answer is a big, fat, resounding no. Not even close. So let's get real. Let's talk about the AI we actually use every single day. Because this is the powerful, specialized tool that's pretty much running in the background of our modern lives. Okay, so the official term for the AI we have today is weak AI. Sometimes you'll hear it called narrow AI. And I know, the word weak sounds kind of lame, but don't let it fool you. It's not weak as in powerless, it's weak as in focused. It means it's an incredible specialist trained to do one specific task and do it really, really well. It's an amazing imitation of intelligence, but it's not the real deal. And it is literally all around us. Think about it. When you talk to Siri or Alexa, that's weak AI. The recommendation engine on YouTube or Spotify? Yep, weak AI. That spam filter that saves your inbox from chaos? You got it. GPS navigation, the opponents you're battling in a video game, all of them are fantastic examples of this powerful but very narrow, weak AI in action. I love this way of putting it. Weak AI is a master of one trade. It's like the world's best chess player who doesn't know how to tie their own shoes. It's a genius at its one thing, but completely clueless about everything else. Your phone's assistant can find and play any song in the world for you, but it has zero understanding of what music is or how it makes you feel. It's just matching patterns.
Okay, so if that's weak AI, what about the other kind, right? What about the AI we were just talking about, the movie version, the one that can actually think for itself and learn and apply knowledge to, well, to anything, just like a person can?
Well, that brings us to the dream, the big one, the holy grail of AI research, which is the quest to build a genuine artificial mind. This is what we call strong AI. You'll also hear the term artificial general intelligence, or AGI for short. And the most important word in that whole definition is theoretical. This is the stuff of science fiction. An AGI wouldn't just be imitating thought, it would be capable of genuine understanding. It would have that flexible, can-do-anything intelligence that we humans have. All right, so now we've got our two big categories, weak AI and strong AI. Let's put them head to head so we can see the differences crystal clear. This really breaks it down nicely. Think of it as a tool versus a thinker. Weak AI is the specialist tool. It simulates intelligence, it's totally task-oriented, and it just follows the rules it was given. But strong AI, that's the theoretical thinker. It would be a generalist, it would possess real intelligence, it would be focused on problem solving, and it would actually understand context. But the bottom line, the most important line on this whole chart, weak AI exists today. Strong AI is still just an idea on a whiteboard. And this is the part that blows a lot of people's minds. 100%. That's it. Every single AI system on the planet right now, and I mean everything, from your simple spam filter all the way up to the most complex, mind-bending large language models you've been hearing about, is a form of weak AI. 100%. We are at 0% for strong AI. Okay, so why does any of this matter? Who cares about the terminology? Well, it's actually super important, because understanding this one distinction helps you cut through all the noise, all the hype, and actually have a real conversation about what AI is and where it's going. So here are the big takeaways for you. First, it helps you manage expectations, right? You can separate the Hollywood stuff from what's actually happening in labs and on our devices. Second, it lets you really appreciate just how amazing today's tech is. Weak AI is accomplishing incredible things. And third, it gives all of us a better framework, a better language to talk about the future of AI, both its incredible potential and its very real challenges.
So I'll leave you with this one last thought to chew on. Think about a simple calculator. It can do math infinitely faster and more accurately than any human brain, right? But does it understand what a number is? Does it know why 2 plus 2 equals 4? Or is it just following a program? And that question right there is the entire difference between the weak AI we have and the strong AI we dream about. It's something to think about. Thanks so much for tuning in.